So hello everyone, welcome back to new vlog. And uh, I'm not sure I'm going to public this one or not, but some of my friends told me that you can make a daily vlog as well. So I'm trying it for the first time. Let's see. And just look at today's weather. It's a little bit windy. So today after 10 or 15 days I can see a snow on the surface. That's pretty good actually. It looks good. Right now I'm going to library because I want to study. Heavy snowfall has already been started, so let me go faster. And so actually today is Saturday, that's why this building is closed. So you will need this card, student card, to access the building. Although it was a heavy rainfall, still I got here. So I'll study here for 3 or 4 hours, and then I'll go home. I'll cook something and I'll eat. This is the room I have to study.
3 hours later.
So it's 2 p.m. and all snow has been vanished from the surface, and it has become almost a sunny day, like you can see here. So for now I don't need to cook. My friend has invited me for a lunch. Let's see what he is cooking, and I'm going on his way. Thank you. What are you cooking today for me? Basmati. Okay, chole chawal you mean to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, great smell, man. So I guess that is why I do not like to make a daily vlogs, because I have nothing creative to do actually. Either I have a job or shift, or I have to do a study. Nothing special actually happens every day. So I don't know. I have recorded this much for this vlog, so I'll upload this one 4 o'clock, and again I'm going to library to study. So again it's 6 p.m. and snowfall has already been started. So that's why I can say, like, German's weather is not predictable, at least for today. In the morning it was snowfall, in the noon it was sunny day, and right now it's also snowfall is started.